Oh wow, that's a big one. Bigger than my head, boy. Imagine getting bit by that. Imagine that taking a chunk out of you.
The dark and vast waters of the Rupununi River pass slowly between canyon walls of ancient trees and sculpted rocks in their path north. This landscape is an image of nature in balance. The river abounds with popular sport fish, including the peacock bass and vampire fish, known locally as Rupununi and Payara. Sport fishing aficionados are drawn from across the world to practice the catch and release method. Besides being a good fishing location, the rock formations of the Rupununi River are history books for those who know how to read them. Amerindian peoples resident in the region between 3000 and 5000 BC decorated certain rocks with these mysterious images. These petroglyphs, carved using stone tools, carry important messages relating to wildlife in the area, including the types of fish that can be found and the methods used to catch them.